Don't repeat the mistakes you did in NEET 2024 examination, because those mistakes, my friends, were the reason you could not score well in NEET 2024 examination. And you repeat the same mistakes this year also, the blunder can be repeated. So for this reason, for you to avoid those mistakes, we have launched at Memoneet a Droppers plan for you. So what do we offer in this Droppers batch? The first thing that we offer is targeted lectures. These targeted lectures, my friends, are curated by expert faculty at Memoneet. These offer you information which is NCERT based and information from which the questions are frequently asked in NEET examination. Okay. The second thing that we offer in the Droppers batch is Brahmastra test series. Yes, all-in-one Brahmastra test series, which is very famous. Yes, this test series includes NTA type of questions, NCERT based questions, and questions which are created by people who have already cleared NEET examinations. So what is more special about this test series is that it includes the OMR scanning features. The OMR scanning is nothing but you can scan the OMR in the app of Memoneet from your phone and get the feeling of examination at the comfort of your home. And the third thing which is included in this batch is NTA PYQs. NTA PYQs are nothing but the fast year questions which are asked by NTA from NEET 2019 to 2024. These PYQs includes crisp explanation and detailed explanations which will clear all the doubts you could have about that question. And we have included a reference also for your convenience so that you can see that the explanation that we are providing you is taken from where. Okay, so this is all about Droppers plan. But today, my friends, is an Independence Day, and we at Memoneet are all celebrating Independence Day by launching our Independence Day sale. In this sale, we are giving the lowest prices since the launch of this batch, and these prices are really attractive. You should definitely go and check out. And if you want to buy them, contact on this WhatsApp number. I hope to see you at Memoneet. Bye.